Social Science, Grade 6, Block 12, Discrimination, LP3, Caste Discrimination, LP4, Steps Against Discrimination by teacher Shikha. Children, in this video, we will learn about how people are discriminated against on the basis of caste. Caste is a system in India of dividing people into different groups based on the work they do. Also, we will learn the way in which our constitution challenges discrimination. Keywords are constitution, equality, caste, and dignity. Children, in the caste system, some people are treated as untouchable. They were not allowed to eat with others, made to do dirty jobs, and were not allowed to enter temples. They were all discriminated against. Children, please underline the text, read the text, and underline the main points. Find out who is the writer, how was he being treated. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is being discriminated against because he did not belong to an upper caste. He had to sit in a corner of the class on a cloth that nobody would touch. He was not allowed to drink water from the common tap. The washerman would not wash his and his family's clothes, and the barber would not touch his hair. Now the question is, why and how people were discriminated on the basis of caste. So children, people were discriminated against on the basis of caste because they were thought to be impure and unclean by birth. They were called untouchables. They were not allowed to enter temples or take water from the common well. They also had to eat separately. So children, do you think castes are necessary in today's times? Why? Children, caste is discriminative and it creates division amongst people, which is why it is not necessary. Please read the content book LP3. Students should be able to identify instances of caste discrimination. Also, how caste system in India leads to discrimination in society and can explain the relevance of caste today. LP4. Now let's talk about constitution and learn why we need organized action to challenge discrimination. Children, the Indian Constitution has laws to stop discrimination. Everyone is free to do what they want. No one should be discriminated against. The practice of untouchability is banned. Now let's discuss what rules are laid down by our Constitution to ensure that everyone is treated equally. Children, nobody can be discriminated against on the basis of their caste, color, place of birth, religion, or language. The Constitution grants equality to all. Untouchability is banned and punishable. Everyone is free to speak their language, celebrate their festivals, and follow their own religion. Now the question arises, why was it important to challenge discrimination? Children, discrimination existed in our society from early times. Poor farmers have been discriminated against by rich landlords. People from underprivileged castes and women have also faced discrimination. Discrimination divides society and denies equal privileges to people. So we needed laws against discrimination. Challenging discrimination. Everyone has equal freedom. Everyone should be treated equally. Untouchability is banned. No one can be discriminated against on the basis of caste, color, or religion. Children, what do you think? Are laws by the Constitution enough to stop discrimination? Why? Children, the general explanation is we need to change the way we think about others, respect them for who they are, and ensure that everyone gets equal opportunity. Now, everyone need to think and visualize more about this topic. Just think about the questions. Why we need discrimination? And why discrimination still exists in the society? Read your content book nicely. Solve your worksheets. Students should be able to explain why we need organized action to challenge discrimination and should be able to suggest how common people can stop discrimination. I hope this lesson is clear to you and you will be able to solve your worksheets. Have a great day ahead, children. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.